Hello, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel, Course by Sid. So today in this video, we're going to see that what is Marquee Tag, right? So a Marquee Tag is basically a scrolling piece of text displayed either horizontally or vertically on a web page, right? So let's say, let me come back to my UI now. Let's say, suppose above the H1 heading, I want some text, right, which is moving, right? So let me come back to my Visual Studio Code, and just above this H1 tag, right, I'm going to write Marquee tag, right? And then what I'll do, within this Marquee tag, I'm going to write one text. So I'm typing welcome to my website, right? And then I'm going to save this. Now I'll come back to my UI, and here above you can see that it is coming, right? And this text is moving, and whatever we have written, it is displaying over here, welcome to my website, right? Now I'll come back to my UI once again, and now I'm going to show you that how you can add images also, right? So I'll write img image, and then in the source I'd like to give /images, and then I'm going to select one image, HTML image, right? And in alternative text I will write HTML, okay? And then here also I need to give one width, so I am giving width as 60 and height also as 60, right? Now you can see, now let me come back to my UI first. So here you can see that this text is this image is also coming, right? And this image is also moving. Now I can also use here one BR and one HR tag. So within Marquee you can also use BR and HR tag, right? So I'm writing here HR tag and BR tag, and then I'll come back to my UI. So now here you can see that your horizontal line, that is HR, is also coming, and whatever spacing you have given, that is with the help of BR tag, that is also applied, right? So let me add one other image. So I'll write BR tag and then one HR tag, and then after that I'll write, or simply I'm going to copy paste this, and in the images folder I have one more image, that is CSS image, right? And here I'll write in alternative text, that is CSS, and here you can see that we have one images folder which is having two images. The first one is CSS and the second one is the HTML, and we have added both the images over here, right, for the explanation of the Marquee tag. Now let me come back to my UI. So now you can see that with the help of the Marquee tag you can write the moving text and the moving images also, right? So that's all for this video, and I hope to meet you soon in the next video with some new topic. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it, so that you can get the latest update from this channel. Thank you. That's all for this video.